Shiva, referred to as Rudra in the Rig Veda, is a significant deity in Hinduism, symbolizing the destructive and transformative aspects of nature. Let's dive deep into it. In the Rig Veda, Rudra is praised as the supreme healer, lord of sacrifice and master of hymns and the balmy medicines. Harmless nod to Rudra in our seed and progeny. Rudra, you are the embodiment of cosmic power, governing the cycles of creation and destruction. Your wrath is feared, yet your blessings are sought. To Rudra, lord of sacrifice, of hymns and balmy medicines. The Samveda echoes this reverence, highlighting Rudra's role in maintaining cosmic order and harmony. May we look upon all manifestations of the divine with unbounded awe. According to Sri Aurobindo, Rudra Shiva represents the principle of transformation, transcending individual ego, manifesting divine consciousness. Through Rudra Shiva, we glimpse the ultimate reality beyond the veil of Maya, guiding us toward spiritual liberation. This particular things, has been inspired by the Rig Veda, which is book 1, hymn 43 and 114, which is book 2, hymn 33, and Samveda, reflecting the essence of Rudra Shiva as a symbol of cosmic power and transformation. What I think particular about this Shiva, Lord Shiva, Rudra, it's a way to go deep into the meditation. Keep on doing meditation.